Hello friends, welcome back, or if you're new, just welcome. Today I'm going to do a little bit of a different video because I have been borderline obsessed with these enamel pins that a lot of artists are having made. And I know some people also have their Disney pin collection or commemorative pins or those little can badges and stuff. So I thought it would be a fun little video to show you how I am displaying my enamel pins. Like this one. And yeah, I have a little cork board too right in there. So that's one way to do it. But yeah, I also like to put them in little boards like this. So I'll show you how to make that coming right up. The first thing you'll need is an embroidery hoop. This is quilt batting. And of course some fabric that you like. And your pins. And these pins I'm using today are from an artist called Cat. I cut a piece of quilt batting and I cut out some fabric. I cut out these two pieces so that they will fit the hoop. I'll put the inside of the hoop down, put the quilt batting on top, and on top of that I'm going to put my fabric down. And I'm actually going to flip this fabric to the other side so that the pins will stand out a little more. And I'm going to put the outer part of the hoop around the inner part. Now let's trim it. Now I'm going to do a running stitch all around my excess here. I'm gonna anchor this knot really well. Don't need it popping out when I pull it. And you can also use like a solid colored fabric, any kind of fabric you want to use. And for this, it's like cotton, so it probably would have been better if I used something like plinking shears to cut around the edge. But you know, this is just gonna go on my wall, so nobody will see that it's a hot mess. And so you can just pull it. I still need to finish the rest though. Now I'll just double knot this. And now it's time to put the pins on it. Can you tell I like Neopets? So there you have it. That's the way that I've been doing my pin displays. And once again, these pins are all by Yen Cat. I will put a link to their shop in the description. So I hope this gave y'all some ideas for your pin collection, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye!